Narayana, 18th sloka of 15th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yasmat ksharam atitoham aksharaadapi cha Uttamaha atosmi loke vede cha pradhitaha purushottamaha. Om. Realize this fact, remember this fact that Sri Krishna Paramatma himself is openly announcing and declaring that he is superior to all of us. He is superior to all the liberated, realized souls. He is different from all of us and all the liberated souls in all aspects and respects and throughout all the conditions. That is why all the Vedas and all the scriptures celebrates Sri Krishna Paramatma as the supreme, as the highest, as the greatest. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that, I remember the fact that you are superior to me. You are superior to all the souls. You are superior to all the liberated souls. You are different from all the souls and all the liberated souls in all aspects and respects throughout all the conditions. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that I shall always remember that all the scriptures and Vedas celebrate you as the supreme, you as the greatest, you as the highest. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra and teaching Gajendra Mokshanam, saying like this, O Raja, after Gajendra's prayers were heard by Sriman Narayana, Sri Mahavishnu, he started rushing towards Gajendra. He did not even leave the lap of Sri Mahalakshmi Devi. Then Mahalakshmi Devi and entire entourage from Sri Vaikuntham, everybody started following Sri Mahavishnu. And Mahalakshmi Devi started thinking like this, where this Sri Mahavishnu is going, to whom he is going to protect. Where is he leaving with so much of rush? Tanavencheyu padambu perkonadu anadhastri janala pamul vineno mruchulu mruchilinchiro khalul veda prapanchambulan ధనుజానీకము దేవతా నగరిపై దండెత్తెనో భక్తులంకని చక్రాయుధుడేడి చూపుడని ధిక్కారించిరో దుర్జనుల్. Where is my Swami going? I do not know where he is going. He is not even telling me anything. Maybe any other woman again, when there is no any help, in helpless situation, probably that woman is praying for Paramatma, saying that Bhagavan, please come and protect me. Maybe my Swami Sri Mahavishnu is going to go there to protect that woman. Or again, some bad people probably have stolen the entire Vedic knowledge. Maybe Swami is going to get again Vedic knowledge back from them. Or maybe all the demons again started chasing Devendra and declaring the war upon Devatas. Probably for that reason my Swami Sri Mahavishnu is going. Or maybe some bad people again questioning the existence of Paramatma, saying that where is your Paramatma who is holding Sudarshana Chakrayudham and who said to be everywhere, present everywhere in this universe, where is he? Probably some people are questioning the existence of my Swami Sri Mahavishnu. Probably my Swami is going to get there. Like that, Mahalakshmi Devi started thinking in several ways while following Sri Mahavishnu, who is rushing towards Gajendra to protect him. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्णा संरक्ष मां. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 15th chapter 18th श्लोका. यस्माक्षरमतीतोऽहम् अक्षरादपि चोत्तमः अतोऽस्मि लोके वेदे च प्रथितः पुरुषोत्तमः. यस्माक्षरमतीतोऽहम् अक्षरादपि चोत्तमः अतोऽस्मि लोके वेदे च प्रथितः पुरुषोत्तमः. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.